Hey guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is a long overdue and today I'm bringing to you my eyebrow tutorial. I do have a few videos on my YouTube channel, but I think I've changed up how I do my eyebrows, and so I wanted to show you guys each step. You know, I did pre-record a video, but I had a gum in my mouth and it was just so irritating, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna have to redo this video. So this is my second try, so I hope this video is pretty short as well. So let's just jump right into it. The first step to my brows is I no longer use pencils. I don't have nothing against pencils, but you know, I've just been using this and it really works for me, so I just continue to use it. So the first thing I use is the Face by Shannon Brow Gel Topping, and this is in dark brown and it's from All the Love Cosmetics. It's a Jamaican owned brand. I use a angled brush to apply the pomade to my brows, and this is what it looks like. You're also going to need a brush to clean up under the brows, you know, just to get that sharp defined look. And you'll also need a spoolie, and I usually use a brush to just blend out the concealer when I do apply it. And of course you do need a concealer to clean up below the brows. I usually go in with my foundation on the top, but when I get to there I'll show you guys. Okay, so now that I'm done showing you what I use on my brows, I'm going to zoom in on my face so you know you can get that really close up look at what I'm doing. So let's zoom right in. Okay, so now that I'm zoomed in, these are my brows up close and personal. So I usually just groom up my brows so it looks clean before I go in to do my eyebrows, and I usually shave it myself, so you know once it starts growing I also trim it off. So first I'm going to use a spoolie to brush the hairs in the direction that they grow. Okay, so for the pomade I just apply some to my fingers so this way it does not dry up. I just took out the amount that I need, so I'm going to go in with my brows, and I usually start on the bottom, so I'm just going to line the bottom section. I like to go in with a light on and then I can build on it. So I'm just going to go to the top section now. So whatever is left on the brush I usually brush on the front portion, and I don't do this, I don't know why, but I basically just shade in that area and I put a little tip at the end. So after this I usually go in with my spoolie just to blend it out because it does dries quickly and then it's hard to move because it's waterproof, so you want to brush out as you go along. So I'm going to do this brow. One of my brows usually comes out better. This is the better eyebrow. So I'm going to go in with the spoolie to blend this out as well. So you see where I went in a little bit too much with the brow pomade, and then it's not the easiest to blend out. So you want to ensure that you're using a really light hand to apply. To clean up the brows, I go in with a concealer. It's a few shades lighter under the bottom section of the brow, and I'm going to be using a brush. You can use any brush that you feel good working with. So I'm going to fill the brush with concealer. I'm going to drench it in concealer. Okay, so after I'm through applying the concealer to the brush, I am going to go in and I want to do one clean swipe to clean off the bottom section. So I try. So let's go with this eye. So I like to start from the front, like the front, and just pull the concealer. See what I did there? And then I pull to the end. So you can see one clean. I try my best. So I'm just going over now to just blend out the concealer. And I'm going to do the same thing for this eye, but because I'm right-handed, so it's easier to clean up this side versus this side. So with this I usually start in the middle section and then I work my way to the end, then I clean up the front, so you'll see it. Right, then I clean up the front. So this is where this brush comes in. I like to just blend out the concealer underneath my brows. So for the top section, I usually go in with the same brush, but I use my foundation. So I am going to be doing that now. So this is why I don't bother to do my eyebrows on camera, because it takes forever. And then I use the excess that's left on the brush to just pull the foundation into the front section so that it looks natural. So I'm going to do the same thing for the next eyebrow. And so now I would just go in with my foundation brush just to clean up the top section, and voila. I like to go back in and just blend the front so it looks super natural. So yeah, that's it for my brows. I'm going to show you guys when my face is fully beat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this eyebrow tutorial. Like, you see my eyebrow them coming far away. Like, I have 2 other videos on my channel and this is by far the best. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did learn something, and just remember your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Sometimes they can be distant cousins, because this is perfect and this is not so perfect. Just try, practice. I'll show you guys the trends of brows that I had before, and let me tell you, it's nowhere where I am now. So with practice you can get there. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies.